Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called Why Expert Craftsmanship Matters in Shower Remodeling. Now let's jump into the slippery, sudsy world of shower remodeling, a space you visit every day, hoping for a touch of tranquility to start or wrap up your busy schedule. So, why does expert craftsmanship make such a splash in this essential household redo? Buckle up, friends. It's time to shampoo away any doubts you may have about investing in quality. First off, let me drop some knowledge. The shower isn't just a rinse-off station, it's a sanctuary. A place where plotting the day's adventures feels as vital as the wash itself. Craftsmanship is the difference between a slapdash install and a masterpiece that withstands the test of time, both in function and fashion. When your tiles are laid with precision, you're looking at a lasting luxury, not a quick fix that'll demand attention faster than a toddler in a candy store. And waterproofing, y'all. This isn't just some optional upgrade, but a fundamental science. Proper installation prevents leaks and water damage, which can quickly turn your soothing cascade into a homeowner's soggy nightmare. Expert craftsmen know how to seal every corner, as if their own plumbing legacies hinged on it. You'd be floored, no pun intended, by the number of times I've seen amateurs leave homes looking like they've been visited by a particularly malicious water spirit. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Quality craftsmanship also brings beauty and balance with utility. Imagine a shower that's not only beautiful to behold, but tailored precisely to your everyday needs. Custom shelving, graceful fixtures, you name it. The artistry in execution ensures that every line, angle, and pocket of your shower space feels right, sparking a sense of luxury without the label shock. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choosing the right professionals matters hugely. A contractor with expert craftsmanship has a portfolio of success stories, each entry a testament to their commitment and discipline. They're detail-oriented artisans, not just in the practical sense, but as stewards of aesthetic pleasure. They have the power to elevate the entire bathroom experience, increasing your home value with each faucet twist and nozzle gleam. When embarking on a journey to transform your bathroom, remember this mantra: invest in expertise. It's not merely about selling beautiful dreams, it's about delivering a reality so well made, it feels like a dream every single day. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.